Yeah, came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping. Yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping.
Subscribe now for honest reviews and exclusive deals.
Need a cordless saw that can handle more than just wood? Meet the PATUOPRO 6-inch brushless circular saw. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor with 6,900 RPM cutting speed, it delivers smooth, fast, and accurate cuts every time. It easily cuts through wood, metal, and ceramic tiles with a cutting depth of up to 51 millimeters at 90 degrees and 35 millimeters at 45 degrees. It's fully compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, giving you the freedom to work anywhere without being tied to a power outlet. Compact, lightweight, and easy to control, it's the perfect choice for DIY projects, home renovations, and professional jobs. Get yours today and take your cutting power to the next level. Tired of struggling with manual pruning? Upgrade to the 30mm cordless brushless electric pruning shear. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor and a razor-sharp high-carbon steel blade, it cuts branches up to 30 millimeters thick with clean, precise results. It's perfect for pruning fruit trees, bonsai, vineyards, gardens, orchards, farms, and greenhouses. Designed to work with Makita 18-volt LXT batteries, it gives you the freedom to trim anywhere without messy cords. The lightweight, ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making long pruning sessions much easier. Please note, this package includes the pruning shear only. Battery is not included. Upgrade your gardening tools today and make every cut faster, cleaner, and effortless. Looking for a compact tool that makes home repairs quick and easy? Meet the cordless electric screwdriver with a 2,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery. Powered by a durable brushless motor, it delivers reliable performance and up to 5 Newton-meters of torque for furniture assembly, electronics, and everyday maintenance. Its lightweight 0.4 kilogram design fits comfortably in your hand, making it perfect for working in tight spaces without fatigue. The built-in 2,000 milliamp hour lithium battery provides long-lasting cordless power, so you can work anywhere without the hassle of disposable batteries. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a reliable household tool, this mini electric screwdriver is the perfect addition to your toolbox. Get yours today and make every repair faster and easier. Need serious power for tough jobs? The 500 Newton-meter cordless brushless impact wrench is built to handle it. With a high-performance brushless motor delivering up to 500 Newton-meters of torque, it makes removing rusty bolts, changing tires, and heavy-duty repairs fast and effortless. Choose between 2 speed settings for maximum control, and easily switch between forward and reverse with the push of a button. Weighing just 1.07 kilograms, it's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and designed for extended use. The built-in LED light helps you work clearly in dark garages or tight spaces. It's compatible with Makita 18V batteries, but please note the battery is not included. Upgrade your toolbox today and tackle every job with confidence. Looking for one saw that can handle almost any cutting job? Meet the PATUOPRO 6-inch brushless circular saw. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor and a 6,900 RPM no-load speed, it delivers fast, smooth, and precise cuts every time. It cuts up to 51 millimeters at 90 degrees and 35 millimeters at 45 degrees, making it ideal for wood, metal, and ceramic tiles. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it gives you the freedom of cordless performance for DIY projects and professional work alike. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to control, even in tight spaces. Whether you're renovating your home or working on the job site, this saw is built for power, precision, and convenience. Order yours today and experience effortless cutting.